Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to cover the remaining topics. In my previous video, I explained about the dictionary and some methods. Now let's see some more methods. Now, how to add the particular item. In my previous video only I explained. So we have to add a particular item to the existing dictionary. We have to use the thing in the form of a square brackets. I'll show you again. Look at here. Suppose if you want to add this color white to the existing one, we can use in this way. Okay, yeah, this color white will be also added at the end of the dictionary, not in the between. It will be adding at the end. Okay, yeah, adding item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key name. By using the key index only, we have to retrieve the particular value. Okay, by mentioning that key name in this square brackets, so that we can assign to that value in this way, which I shown now, this way. So we have to use this key name and we have to assign some value to that key. Okay, in this way we can use. Even we have update also, update method. How to use this update method I will be showing you. Look at here. Initially the year is 2015. We want to change this year 2015 to 2020. So how to use? By using the update method, we have to use explicitly update and the normal brackets. Inside the normal brackets, we have to use the curly brackets. In this, we have to write the key and the value. Both the key and the value we have to mention. The key should be unique and the value which we want to update, we have to mention the updated value. So look at here. This is the representation of the update. See, now this 215 will be overridden on this 2022. 2015 will be overridden on the 2020. So the latest 2020 will be printed and this will not print. Okay. In this way, we can add the items to the end of the item. Now let's see how to remove the item from the dictionary by using this thing like pop. We can use pop item, del, clear. By using this method, we can remove the particular item. Let's see how to remove. Let's consider we'll be removing the ear. We have to mention explicitly pop method, and whatever we want to remove, we have to mention the key name, not the value name. Okay, we have to mention the key name so that the assigned value will be removed. So this thing, this ear is removed. Okay, by using the pop, we can remove the key and the value name. By assigning the key and this assigned value also will be removed. Okay. Similarly, we have a pop item also. What the pop item will be doing? Let's see. Yeah, it will be removing the last item. Whatever is the last item, it will be removing this last item. This key and the value both comes under the one item, so it will be removing this whole item. Means till here only it will be going to print. Look at here. So it will be going to print till here. So the last item will be deleting. By using the pop item or by using only pop, we can specify the specific key or value. We can even delete. If we want to delete the specific also, we can use this pop, which I said you. By we have to mention in this, we have to mention this key name. We have to mention the key name to remove the particular item. So this age 36 is removed by using the pop, by specifying the key name. Even we have one more method, which is a del, to remove the entire dictionary. You know this. Yeah. Why we are getting error here? We deleted the entire dictionary. Again, if we try to print the existing dictionary, after deleting, if we try to print that, it is not there, no. So that it is throwing the name error. Okay. Or we can use a specific key also to remove the specific one, which is specific value. Okay, by using this thing, we can remove the specific item. If you want to remove this the country, which is Delhi, we can use this del also. In this way also we can use. Okay, we have many ways to use this removing the item. We can use this del, or we can use a pop, anything we can use. Even we have a clear method also, where it will be clearing the entire contents in the dictionary, but the dictionary set will be there. Empty dictionary will be printed over here. We can even use the if condition or the for loop. Let's see practically. Yeah, this is the example. So this is the dictionary and we are using the if condition. If this name string is there in this dictionary, yes, it is there. So we'll be trying to print yes. Now let's see. We are getting error. Why? Yeah, this is mine. No? Yes, yes is print. Now let's try another thing, which is address, which is not there in this dictionary. What it will come? It will not print anything. Why? Because we not mention the else condition. We mentioned only the if condition. If this condition is there, we are saying to print s. If not, nothing. So it's nothing. Okay. This if condition also we can use in the dictionary. Even we can use the for loop also, where the for x in this dictionary, print this x. So if we mention first for x, the first item will be coming over here and iterating, and it will be going to print next item, it will be going one by one. You know what is for? Yes. Yeah. One by one, every item will be printed over here. Only the key values are printed. Why? We mentioned only the for x. For x means the x will be notate the item, so which is the index value. So normally x means the it's a index position, so it's an index value. So it will be specifying the only the key values, it will be specifying the only the key elements, so that the name, age and the country and the year only printed, the values will not going to print. Okay, but when we want only the values, what we have to do? We have to do in this way, so that this thing also will be coming. Yeah. Now let's see. Now the values are going to print. What we have done here, we have done like, now the x is nothing but the index. Think that keys are nothing but the index. It will be working like an index property only. So we are using this MyDeck of x, means it is in the form of an index. So what is the index value? What is the index of the name? It is John. What is the age? 36. Country, Delhi. Year, 2015. So it will be working as a index. So the key values will be working like an index only. It will forming the properties of index value. So that the values will be going to print. In this way we can use to retrieve the values. Or we can even use dot value, so that it will be iterating only the values. It will not consider the key. It will be only iterating the values. Why? Oh, now let's again error. Why? Yeah, we have to use parenthesis also, which I forgot. Yeah, now it's coming only the values. Similarly, we can use the keys also to retrieve the only keys. Iterate the keys. K should be lowercase. Yes, now the key values will be printed as usually. To retrieve the separate keys or separate only the values, specified keys or specified values, or only all the keys on all the values to print, we can use in this way. But when we want to print whole item like a key and the value, to retrieve whole key and the value, we have to use in this way. We can use dot items to retrieve both the key and the value, but we have to mention the x comma y. So first x will be specifying the key and the y will be specifying the value. Okay, in this way we can use in this way also. It's, yeah, so that the key and the values will be separated with the column. Yeah, by error we have to convert into the string format, which is some are in the string, some are in the integer. So simply we'll be printing this x comma y. Yes, now we are getting output item, and whole item will be going to print like a key and the value. Okay, separately also we can use to print only the list all the keys we can use, or to list all the values we can use, or to print all the items also we can use. Okay, Now let's see what is a copy and the deck. Yeah, look at here. We can use in this way like copy. So if we want to copy this my deck dictionary to this deck, and if we try to print this deck, this complete dictionary will be copied to this deck. Okay, yes, we'll get output. We can even use this thing also by using the deck keyword. Okay, in this method also we can use, or we can use the copy also. It's our wish. Depending upon the situation, we can use. Look at here. A dictionary can contain the dictionary. So means we can have a dictionary inside the dictionary. So we'll be having the dictionary. In the dictionary, we can use another dictionary also. That is known as the nested dictionary. Like similarly how we use in the nested list, nested set, nested tuple, how we use like nested another list inside the list. Similarly we can use the dictionary inside the dictionary. So let's see how to use that. Look at here. This my family is one dictionary. Okay, now inside this dictionary we use again three more dictionaries. So these are the three dictionaries which we use inside this my family dictionary. So suppose this is the one more dictionary which is child 1. So this is one dictionary. These are some key value pairs. These are the items of this dictionary. And we used another dictionary inside this my family which is a child 2, and these are the items. Again we use another dictionary which is child 3, and this is the items inside this child 3. This three childs are inside this one dictionary. This is known as the nested dictionary. Okay, or we can use in this way also, means separately we have to use these three dictionaries which we want to use. So this is one dictionary, and this is one another dictionary, and this is the another dictionary. Now we can import these three dictionaries into the one dictionary. Like this is one dictionary which is my family. In this dictionary we want to use these three dictionaries. Like this is the key. For this key, what is the value? The value should be assigned to this. So if we use this child 1, it will be assigned to this dictionary. If we use the child 2, this will be assigned to this child 2 dictionary. If we use this child 3 value, it will be assigned to the child 3 dictionary. So I think this is better approach than this thing. We can use in this way also, but in this you can confuse like where to use this curly brackets, where to close. So this is somewhat confusion, so that it's better to use this approach only. This thing, it is clear and simple. So separately we have to use how many dictionaries we want to import. Yes, it is simple. No, after that what are there, we can use this three dictionaries into the one dictionary by using the key and the value. Okay, the values will be assigning to the respected dictionary. Okay, so in this way we can represent. But how to access the values, how to access this key, and how to access the values, let's see. Look at here. So when we want to access this child to name, what is the child to name? So first it will be coming to the my family. Yeah, this my family dictionary. Then it goes to the child 2, where this is the child 2. So what is the value for the child 2? This thing. So the child 2, it will goes to the child 2 dictionary, which is this thing. This is the child 2 dictionary. What it want? It want the name. It want to retrieve the name. So what is their name? So this thing will be going to print. So in this way we can retrieve. Okay. In this way we can retrieve the specified position. So this is thing. So we can retrieve in this way. So we have to use like this to represent, to retrieve, to access the values. Remember. I think you understood about the nested dictionary. Now let's see. Yeah, I think it's completed. This is the sample example. Try to predict what will be the output for this program. So take for 5 minutes or 3 minutes and predict the output and mention in the comment section. Now let's see. So for loop x and obj. So what the x will be assigned, what the obj will be assigned to. The x will be assigned to the keys and obj will be assigned to the values. Here, what are the keys? Keys are this thing. Child 1, child 2, child 3, this thing. What are the obj? This thing. So these are the keys and these are the values of that key. Okay. Now in my family dot items, what the dot items will be retrieving? It will be retrieving the whole key and the values. All the key and values will be retrieving. So where this keys are nothing but the x and these values are nothing but the obj. We are asking to print this x. So okay, let's see. So first child one, this key will be printed which x is equals to this thing, and obj with this child will be printed which is child one, and the what the this child one will be doing, this child one goes to this thing. Yeah, okay, it will be going to print this thing again. For y, what is the y in obj? So obj is nothing but this child, so this is the value now. So obj is this thing. So in this again we have another dictionary which is this name and the this one, name and the year. Again it will be retrieving this name and the year. Let's see the output so that you can understand. Yeah, now let's see clearly. So first the only the key will be printed which is a child. Now next will be going to print the y is nothing but the item. What is the item for this child one? Which is name and the year. So this name and the year will be going to print. Similarly the child one, the child three. So in this way we can use a nested dictionary. I think you understood about the dictionary concept, and that's it about the dictionary. Still you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. I will be definitely solve your doubts, and as of now, thanks for watching.